Right, Land Rover Freelander 2. Today we are going to upgrade the mirrors under the mirrors under your light, the lights under your mirrors. So when you unlock the car, you should have a lamp under here. Only if you've got the deluxe model. This isn't on all of them. So we'll do another video of how to retrofit them. If you don't look out for that, look out for that. But when you unlock your car, you've got this light here, and it's got a lens, and it's supposed to obviously light the floor so you can get in your car without stepping in any puddles. It's handy enough, but these have got just a normal little bulb in them, and they look a bit yellow and they lack a bit of power. So we are going to upgrade today to this super complete model. The other thing is they get a bit green. This is a new one, we've replaced these. They get all green and mossy, and there's a little ecosystem going on in there which you may or may not want. Right, so how do we get that out? So you'll notice that you've got this little springy clip on the end here. So we're going to try and go in with a screwdriver, and we're going to try and just catch the end of that springy clip, press it down, because the tabs on the other end are quite long, or at least they are on this copy one. So we'll have a look. Right, so we're going for the thin end, which is the outer end of the mirror, and I'm going to try and get this little, oh, he's gone out, like he's timed out. Right, let me have a little, oh, I need to try and get in there. Oh, there we go. Now, I think I've been fairly lucky. From memory, these old ones tend to, depending on how old, they get a bit brittle and that, but as you're replacing them, you're not too worried, as long as you don't break your mirror. Right, and then what you do is you twist that out, and that exposes, oh, that bulb there. Don't drop the old one. And then you can take that out, right, and then let's get the new module. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Right, now these are got red and black, because you don't know which one's which, but I'm pretty sure these are color coded. So I'm just going to plug it in, but before you refit it, it's probably worth, let me just double check, just make sure none of these pins are bent here, because they've got these small pins, but they look fairly robust. Fit in there, and they should. Right, and then what I'm going to do, grab the keys, if I don't drop them, let's unlock. Whoa, there you go, yeah. So check that works, but for a test, let me just turn that round, let me turn it the other way. So let me just pull that out, spin it round and check it the other way. It should work both ways, if I've got it right, he says. There you go. Oh, it's just getting the pins lined up. I'm not doing a good job of this. I need better eyes. I think I just blinded myself with the. So yeah, they work both ways round. Then you've got to just tuck that connector back up into there. Put that back one in there first. Make sure you got nothing in your way in there. Got the connector. You got to tuck that connector right out the way, or it will get in the way. Like that. And then that should just click back into position there. And there you go, that's the LED puddle lights fitted.